Igbo si na ọka adịrị eri ifo onye mmụọ. The spiritual governs the physical. Ewesi gị jee fibe arọbina agụn ka ezudebe gị oshi mmụọ. So isn't it interesting how every device Christianity brings us is designed to weaken us and let the rat come inside? Can you guess who the rat is? Mezi afa ndị eriri ndị atọlụ battery for. If Jesus isn't teaching you how to ultimately be your brother's keeper and savior, to encourage you to have endless love and always run to his rescue, and to put your own family, the primary responsibilities of your ikenga, second, and overextend yourself for an intentional mischievous input plan is to reduce your energy so that it goes on his level. An intentional evil genius who will cheat your children out of all your lands and properties which you entrusted to his care, right? His trust. When you prematurely die from overextending yourself, Igbo sigel metalibulu. Save yourself, stand on your 2 feet. If my brother's more, a whole spiritual squad cannot save him. Onye kambozi. Bikon. Asigi, a man loved his sheep so much he gave his life for his sheep. What manner of unkoeri is this shit? Then if it's not that one, is to forgive and reintegrate your adulterous wife so that your alusi and your own mobu will come for you. She it's the mouth that she used to suck and akogoli penis. A penis that knew that she was married and still went there. Shebi is that same mouth that she used to call Annie. Oma, mono n'ekwu mono n'ọnwa, ogwugwu nwanyị, to come and bless you, Haikenga. But what do I know? Birds of the same feather and all. Maybe you are an akogoli yourself. So ezigbo nwanne, I pray thee, do not be offended. And if it's not this, it's to encourage you to go home and destroy your Arobinago so that all the calamities will feast on you and summarize you ASAP. Shebi has been given authority over all the principalities and powers. So, Chief Ofeke, use your own hand and go and disable your own firewall so that all the Oke will rush and feast on you at once. On second-hand value. Hey, so something different. If you have or know how to get an unlimited amount of raw cocoa, please DM me or indicate and I'll DM you. My people will reach out and verify your claims, and if they're happy, we'll transact. Thanks for streaming Holy Music.